I want to talk about something that everybody enjoys talking about, and that would be getting free stuff. And this is not like clickbait or trying to lead you to anything. No, just genuine information. In this beard industry, or more specifically, the small batch beard community, not only can you get discounts and save on pretty much every purchase, and there's some amazing deals all year round, but what this is about is straight up getting free stuff. And what birthed this idea is I was talking to a company owner on a consultation, and they were like, I'm trying to get engagement and personal investment where people are not just consumers, but fans of the brand. And they're like, one thing we're really proud of is our reward system, but such a small percentage of our consumers use it. And I was like, you know what? I never hear these reward systems getting talked about, even though a decent amount of the beard companies we cover on this channel and you guys love offer those rewards. People are just missing that step. And I wondered if it was because people didn't really understand what it was. So I wanted to highlight it a little bit. And again, there's some great examples. I'm going to show you guys Johnny Ray today because as I was checking out different options, they seem to have the most straightforward and just really kind of potent reward system, meaning it gives the most back, and it's entirely free. And again, this is for you guys. I don't get anything out of this. There's no benefit for me for you signing up. I don't care. But if it helps you guys try companies, save things, get free stuff, let's go. That's a win all. The companies want you guys to utilize these things. So I'm sure in editing, I'll put up a graphic over here somewhere on the screen that goes over some of the details. But essentially, there's a bunch of different ways to earn points, which get converted to savings. And the savings that you guys get are just straight up like gift cards. It's not like even you have to buy 50 and you get this off. Unless I'm like sorely mistaken on that point, I believe it's just a straight up like code that works to save you guys money. So for example, with Johnny Ray, every 500 points you get $5 off of your order. Okay, all right, now let's talk about points. You get points for every dollar you spend. You also get points for things outside of spending money that don't cost you anything, such as entering your birthday. Every year on your birthday, you earn 2,000 points, which of course translates to $20. You don't have to do anything and you get a $20 credit towards this beard company on your birthday. That's really cool. Outside of that, you get points for doing things like leaving a review on the website. You get points for signing up for the reward system. You get points for following them on Instagram, on Facebook. You even get your own referral link, right? How I have affiliate links. You get a referral link, and if you share it with friends and they use your referral link, then that sounds weird. Referral. If they use your referral link, you get points that convert into savings. So I thought that was really cool. And again, I don't know the last time I've heard anybody mention it. This is just something that if you go on the website, you sign up, boom, you're good to go. I thought that was really cool. And again, a bunch of companies offer it. If you guys have any experience with those, put a comment down below. If you have any questions, put a comment down below. If there's an angle I'm missing because I'm not using them myself, right? I'm not out there on every site signing up. However, I do see the listings and maybe you guys have some experience that I don't. Now, beyond the reward system, there are other ways, most notably on this channel, giveaways. I am proud to offer no purchase necessary giveaways pretty much every single day of the year and multiple giveaways every day. I have things like my Facebook group, which is a private Facebook group, and it's linked in the description. Pretty much every day we have free giveaways just to say thank you. It's an awesome place. Every Monday I am live for over 7 years now at 9 p.m. Eastern. We go for about 2.5 hours. It's called the Commands Corner live stream. We do at least 5 free giveaways every Monday. You don't need to buy, you don't need to be a member, you don't need to donate, you just simply need to be subscribed, which is free, and then be in the live stream. Outside of that, I have a show on Thursdays right now. Sometimes it's Wednesdays in the past, but currently because of our life schedule, it's Beard Advice Live. We do a giveaway every single Thursday night on the live stream. Those are just straight up free products. Now, is it guaranteed? Of course not. But you get to enjoy some beard discussion, a positive vibe and community, and you have the bonus of possibly winning things. So I just want to make sure we understand how unique and how beautiful this community and industry is, where you do have abundant chances to not only get free stuff, not only save, but also interact with the owners, interact with the content creators. It's pretty dang awesome. Now, outside of that, is there anything else that I'm missing where you guys are like, oh yeah, you can get free products like doing this? Now make sure it's a morally sound way, please. I'm not trying to hurt any companies out here or do anything that's just immoral, but I do think it's a good topic to talk about. I do think it's fun, and especially as we have new beardsmen entering in this fall winter season, maybe it helps them get started. So down below, you guys, the comments are open. Check out those rewards. Do you have a company that has your favorite reward system? Have you tried Johnny Ray's? Let us know, you guys. Thank you for watching today. Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.